Hello, my name is Marco Morales. I'm a Partner Solutions Architect at Snyk, and this video is for the Atlassian Bitbucket Cloud user that has added the Snyk integration and is wondering, how do I update or upgrade my plan? Let's get started by showing you a repository, and I'll walk you through the process in about 2 minutes with some explanation as how you would do this. In a previous video, I showed users how to configure and add Snyk to Bitbucket Cloud so that it is an inline experience. As a user that is happily using Snyk, you have already seen the change in state of the security tab to become Snyk, and you're probably already leveraging all the details and the rich experience inline. What you will not notice is within Atlassian Bitbucket is, how do I change my plan or do something differently? I'll show you this. There is more than one way, but I'm going to show you the most obvious way for you as a user of Bitbucket. If we click into any of our files, and I'll click into the Docker file for this example, you may notice that there is text that says visit Snyk on this page. This takes you to snyk.io for the page that is specific to this file. I'll click on this directly right now and show you the results, which you may have already seen and investigated as you were doing your work. What you may not know is that in your settings tab on the upper right-hand corner, you have options to upgrade your plan. You do need to have administrator privileges, but chances are that as a brand new person that has added this integration, you may be that person already. So provided you have those permissions, you may also notice that there is a plans and pricing section on the left. If I click into this, this is where you get to see your upgrade options. All users will start on the free plan, and then you'll see other plans with names like Team, Business, and Enterprise. Their names are meant to convey that level of support and features. If you scroll down and investigate what are the different options, you'll see why users may want to upgrade to different plans. I am going to focus on the Team plan for the purpose of this video because it has a swipe your credit card experience. The other two options, the Business and Enterprise plans, do require you to contact Snyk, and I'll show you some email addresses at the end of this video for how you can contact that team. So as a person, I may say, I am more interested in the team option, and I can see that I can pick how many developers. I'll stick with the default 5 and do the buy now button as you see here. There is a discussion that we can share with you and have about the pricing, but let's just assume that this is great, 5 users, and I'm okay with the price that's shown on screen. The details we'll ask you are what you would expect: name, credit card number, and so on. I am not going to buy now, but this will enable you and provision and give you the permissions to do this. If you do want to explore the other options, the more enterprise level ones, I encourage you to contact our sales team at either sales@Snyk.io or the Snyk BBC information for details specific to the Atlassian Bitbucket Cloud offering. I hope you like this video. My name is Marco Morales. I look forward to helping you in the future.